D2R Films. I love God. You don't love God? What's wrong with you? I love God. You don't love God? What's wrong with you? I don't think that I could live no other way.
Hey there, it's Apostle Dwann here in Jacksonville, Florida, and we are celebrating 8 years of prophetic prayer explosion, and I am so glad to be able to give you this peek of what happens before, during, and after the explosion. Now I hear the Spirit of the Lord saying, I'm calling you to a new day, and I'm calling you in a new way, for this is a season where the junk from the past can't go forward, for I'm calling you into a new season in me. And in this new season in me, I'm calling you to hear me in a new way, and I'm calling you to speak what hasn't been spoken before. For no longer shall you be intimidated by crowds, but you shall be bask in my glory to explode my words in the Spirit of the living God. So no longer can you begin to weep because of worry. For I'm calling you to stand tall so that in your story, I get the glory. For I know what I've called you to, and I know what I've assigned you to. For this is a season where I shall get the last say. And as I get the last say, indeed, I will have my way. For as I have my way in your life, know that your life shall impact many. But now you got to live the life that I've given you, not just for you, but for those who shall come behind you. For this season is about posterity and dexterity in the Spirit, so that you can be who I've called you to be now, says the Spirit of the living God. For no longer can you just go to and fro, confused about your mere existence because something has not happened. For in me not allowing things to happen, I still give you the capacity to build wealth and to do a new thing in this new season in me, says the Spirit of the living God. But you, my sons and my daughters, have to come up to a higher level of understanding and of wisdom in this season of change. For in this season of change, though it may take you to an uncomfortable place, know that in the end, I am calling you to reign from a high place that I have given you, says the Spirit of the living God. And even though it may hurt some, know that at the end, you shall begin to win and to see the manifestation of what I've shown you in my dreams, says the Spirit of the living God. For in this new season, I shall partner you with the folks that care, but I shall also partner you with the folks that don't know exactly why you are together. So stop fighting and stop worrying about what you can't get done, and do what I've told you to do in the season that I've allotted for you to walk across the way into your glory land, says the Spirit of the living God.